my channel. This is Sherry Mark once again. Welcome to this Kikuyu channel, the channel where we learn Kikuyu. For those who are joining me for the first time, welcome and feel at home, and I hope you're going to enjoy as we come along. Now, first of all, I want to thank everyone who has been loyal, and also every new subscriber who has been coming along with me and even watching these videos. Yes, it's been a while since I uploaded another video, but today is the day and we're going to go and learn something else. First of all, I want to teach you, okay, the lesson we have today is about Kikuyu slangs. For those who are interested to know about Kikuyu slangs, this is the best place to be. And first of all, I want to correct myself and tell you I'm not a pro, and I don't know everything about slangs. I'm just going to tell you or educate you on that what I know. So I stand to be corrected here, and even for those who know other things, drop your comments down there. Make sure you comment down there if you know anything else or anything different. Just drop your comments down there. Now, the first word we are going to learn is Made. Made. Made, for those who don't know, Made means mom or mother. The second word we are going to learn is Miji Miji. Miji Miji means a young lady or a beautiful lady or a hot lady, something beautiful, attractive. You know, it has to do with a lady that is beautiful, attractive, and young as well. Miji Miji. Now, the second one we are going to learn is Gashugwa. Gashugwa means a side chick or ampango wa kando. You know, ampango wa kando is someone who is just a side chick. She's not the main chick, she's not the main wife, she's just a side something. Gashugwa. Now, the other thing we are going to learn is mote. Oh, excuse me for the wind, it's really windy and very hot. Now, mote means 1,000. For example, if someone says Daibiana mote umwe, he or she simply means help me with 1,000 Kenya shillings. Mote 1,000. Mete ere 2,000. Mete tato 3,000. So in simple words, mote means 1,000 or 1,000 or 1G. Now, the other word we are going to learn is Buyu. Buyu, for those who don't know, Buyu means dad. Buyu means dad or the father of the house or just the father. Buyu. Now, the other one we are going to learn is Mokoro. Mokoro means the mom or the mother of the house or the head of the family. Mokoro. If you hear someone says Mokoro ekuo, you just know he or she means is the mother of the house there, or the owner of that house, Mokoro, or the eldest person in that home, Mokoro. Now, the other one we're going to learn is Kabe. When someone says Diradie Kabe, he or she simply means I'm going to the city, or I'm going to the town, or to the city center. Dadie Kabe. Kabe. Kabe means city, town, or city center. Now, The other thing we're going to learn is moshodhi. Moshodhi means soup. Most of the times you hear people say "Dukajekerere moshodhi." Don't put for me soup, or yedireda moshodhi. Ojekerere nyama theri. I don't want soup in my food. Just put for me meat only. Moshodhi soup. Now, the other one we're going to learn is wekuo. Wekuo simply means you look good. You look really good, fantastic. You're amazing. You are on point. Wekuo mono. They even add something like wekuo mono. So it means you are there. Simply direct translation, and like I said, it means wekuo mono. You are attractive, you look good, you look fantastic, you look amazing. They are just giving you a good compliment. Now, it's mostly used among women or even among other people. Yes. Now, the other one we're going to learn is rekenemo. Rekenemo is mostly used by women when they want to say something like, I don't want that kind of thing, or I don't want that kind of a person, or I cannot tolerate such kind of a man. So they say, in simply words, they are saying, it's not my thing. That's not my cup of coffee. That's not my cup of tea. Rekenemo. Like, for example, you tell someone, your man or your husband does not call you during the day. He only writes messages, and the woman or the person will tell you, huh? Rekenemo. He simply or she simply is telling you, I can't do with that. I can't allow that. I can't tolerate that. Rekenemo. Now, the other thing we're going to learn is dukejikirerie kanyamo, dukejikirerie kanyamo, or dukehe kanyamo. Kanyamo, dukejikirerie kanyamo is like saying, please top me up with some money, or just give me some money. Kanyamo is like, it's like a favor, or just saying, give me some money, like drop me some cash, send me some cash. Dukejikirerie kanyamo. M-Pesa me some money, or send me some money, something to do with money or cash or something. You know, kanyamo is money, cash, besha, beer. Now that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for having me in this channel. I hope I was able to give you the right slangs, and if you know of any other slangs, of course I'm not an expert, like I said before, just let me know down there. Comment down there, drop your comments down there, and yes, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Goodbye, good night, and have a nice evening. Bye.